for sales pros and emerging brands. LinkedIn isn't just a network, but a lead generation engine. But who has an extra 5-7 hours every week to feed? You need to post consistently to immerse your personal brand and attract inbound opportunities. Hi, I'm Spurs from Intuz. We believe your expertise should be spent with clients rather than spending hours on content creation. That's why we build our own n8n AI automation solution. Let's get started with our n8n LinkedIn post automation. The first node is the schedule trigger node. This is the starting point of the workflow, the schedule trigger. I have set it to run at regular intervals, for example daily or weekly, depending on how often you want to post on LinkedIn. It's been set to days and the interval is 1. Next we move to the content topic generator. This uses Google Gemini chat mode to generate fresh topic ideas for your post. The structured output parser formats the response to the next node can understand easily. Here is the prompt that we have defined as per our customization and as per our targeted audience. The third node is a basic LangChain LLM node, which is the content creator. The generated topic is passed to the content creator. This is where actually the LinkedIn post is written. Again, we use Google Gemini chat model to write content in human-like and professional tone. And also we have a structured output parser so that the next two nodes can process it easily. Parallel to the content creation, we also generate relevant images. Here we use DALL-E 3 model using our OpenAI API account. And here we can see the prompt that we have given to the DALL-E 3 for a relevant image. Again, we have a chat assistant for Google Gemini that will generate hashtag and SEOs optimized keywords. Using Gemini chat model, we generate hashtags that are optimized for our reach and visibility on LinkedIn. Once all the content, image and hashtags are ready, the merge node brings everything together: the post, text, image and hashtags. The last node is the create LinkedIn post. I have set my LinkedIn account and here the resource is post, and the operation that we are looking for is create. We are posting as a person, or we can also post as a company page. Once everything is connected, just hit execute workflow. As you can see, we have this button right here. You will see how each step runs and finally ends up creating a LinkedIn post completely on autopilot. Let's hit it. As you can see, the first node is running and the Google Gemini chat model has given its title. The second node is the content creator and the content is being generated for the relevant title. Now it's continuously generating the image for the relevant content and the SEO optimizer will be run in a few seconds. The final merge node is merging all the content, post and text, and it will post to the LinkedIn on my account. So as you can see, workflow executed successfully. Let's check our LinkedIn post. So this is our account that on we are posting. Let's go to the post section and here is our post. So this is the final LinkedIn post that it has posted according to our preference and according to our target audience. and also with a relevant high quality definition image. So this was a LinkedIn post automation workflow. This is more than just an automation, but also a system for building an authority and generating inbound sales while you sleep. So if you're ready to put your LinkedIn on autopilot, click the link in the description below.